Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 15 trending books on business and leadership that you absolutely cannot miss. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned professional, or just someone looking to improve your leadership skills, these books have something incredible to offer. So grab a cup of coffee, hit that like button, and let's get started.
First up, we have Slow Productivity: The Lost Art of Accomplishment Without Burnout by Cal Newport, released in October 2024. Newport teaches us how to achieve more by doing less, balancing productivity and mental health. This book is a must-read for both beginners and seasoned professionals seeking practical advice on maintaining work-life balance. Discover the secrets to deep work while prioritizing your well-being. Next, The Algebra of Wealth: A Simple Formula for Financial Security by Scott Galloway, released in September 2024. Galloway simplifies wealth building with an easy-to-follow formula for securing your financial future. Whether you're starting out or refining your strategies, his relatable style and actionable steps make this book essential. Find out how to demystify the path to financial security. Next, in Women Money Power: The Rise and Fall of Economic Equality by Josie Cox, released in August 2024. Cox explores the dynamic landscape of economic equality, focusing on the challenges and triumphs women face. This book delves into gender dynamics in finance with insightful analysis and real-world case studies. Uncover the hidden stories of women's economic power and their ongoing fight for equality. Next, Negotiating While Black: Be Who You Are to Get What You Want by Damali Peterman, released in July 2024, is a powerful guide on effective negotiation for Black professionals. Combining personal anecdotes with practical tips, Peterman teaches you how to leverage your identity to succeed in negotiations. Enhance your negotiation skills while staying true to yourself. Next, Joseph E. Stiglitz's The Road to Freedom: Economics and the Good Society, released in June 2024, discusses how economics can contribute to a fairer and more just society. Stiglitz blends his expertise with in-depth analysis, perfect for those interested in the intersection of economics and social justice. Explore his vision for a society where economics serves the greater good. Next, Selling the Dream: The Billion-Dollar Industry Bankrupting Americans by Jane Marie, released in May 2024, uncovers the dark side of the self-help and motivational industry. Through compelling stories and interviews, Marie reveals how this billion-dollar industry exploits consumers. A critical read for anyone influenced by the self-help industry, it offers a cautionary tale about motivational culture. Next, Gary Vaynerchuk's Day Trading Attention: How to Actually Build Brand and Sales in the New Social Media World, released in April 2024, offers strategies for capturing attention and driving sales in the fast-paced social media landscape. With practical advice and real-world examples, it's a must-read for marketers and business owners. Learn how to dominate social media with Gary V's proven tactics. Next, The Third Perspective: Brave Expression in the Age of Intolerance by Africa Brooke, released in March 2024, encourages readers to embrace courageous expression in today's culture of intolerance. Brooke offers actionable advice for expressing your true self fearlessly through personal stories and thought-provoking discussions. Express your authentic self in a polarized world. Ryan Holiday's Right Thing, Right Now: Good Values, Good Character, Good Deeds, released in February 2024, emphasizes the importance of doing the right thing in all aspects of life. Focusing on values, character, and actions, Holiday provides timeless wisdom and inspirational stories. Align your actions with your values to enhance both personal and professional life. In Ask: Tap into the hidden wisdom of people around you for unexpected breakthroughs in leadership and life by Jeff Wetzler, released in January 2024. Wetzler explores how asking the right questions can unlock valuable insights and breakthroughs. This book is suitable for leaders and anyone looking to enhance their problem-solving skills. Harness the wisdom of those around you through the art of asking. Your First Million: Why You Don't Have to Be Born into a Legacy of Wealth to Leave One Behind by Arlen Hamilton, released in December 2023, shares her journey from homelessness to becoming a successful venture capitalist. Hamilton's story is both inspirational and actionable, perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. Be inspired by her journey and learn how to build your own legacy. Bonnie Hammer's 15 Lies Women Are Told at Work, And the Truth We Need to Succeed, released in November 2023, debunks common myths women face in the workplace. Providing the truth and strategies for success, Hammer's book is essential for women navigating their careers. Uncover the truths behind workplace myths and learn how to achieve success on your own terms. The Way of Ronin: Defying the Odds on Battlefields in Business and in Life by Tu Lam, released in October 2023, draws on his experiences as a former Green Beret to share lessons on resilience and leadership. Combining military-inspired lessons with personal anecdotes, Lam provides practical strategies for overcoming challenges. Develop resilience and leadership skills inspired by a warrior's mindset. Salman Khan's Brave New Words: How AI Will Revolutionize Education, released in September 2023, explores the transformative potential of AI in education. Envisioning a future where learning is personalized and accessible, Khan provides forward-thinking insights and practical implications. Ideal for educators, policymakers, and tech enthusiasts, discover how AI is set to revolutionize learning and teaching. Finally, Rich AF: The Winning Money Mindset That Will Change Your Life by Vivian Tu, released in August 2023, shares her philosophy on developing a winning money mindset. Offering practical steps to financial success, Tu's book combines motivational insights with relatable stories. Perfect for those looking to change their financial mindset and achieve their goals. Adopt the mindset that will set you on the path to financial success.
And there you have it, 15 incredible books that will elevate your business and leadership game. Whether you're looking to improve your productivity, build wealth, or navigate modern challenges, these books have you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book recommendations and insights. Let us know in the comments which book you're most excited to read. Until next time, happy reading.